Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. So hope everyone is fine. On that note, let's start this video. So this is week 8 assignment of the course Data Analytics with Python. So let's watch the video guys. So do watch the video till the end guys without skipping. If you skip the video, you may miss some content. And if I make any changes in between the video, you may miss that. So do watch full video and definitely please subscribe our channel, like this video and please share that with your friends and classmates guys. Let's see the first question. For categorical data with n categories, the number of dummy variables will be what? With n categories, what is the number of dummy variables? So for first question, it is second option guys, that is n minus 1. N minus 1. So guys, I think I tried my best to give you the most accurate answers. So if you differ with any of my solutions, you can ask me in the comment section. So before final submission, once again check the comment section for any updates available. I will post there if there are any changes guys. Next, second question. Second question. In estimation of regression parameter, so what will be the correct options in according to this statement guys? So for second question, the probable answer is the second option. The values of b0 to bn and pi should be such that they maximizes the likelihood function. So first, the second option could be the probable solution for second question guys. Now moving on to the third one. In logistic regression, the null hypothesis tested is what? So for the third question, the probable answer is first option, h0 defines beta equals 0. Next, fourth question guys. So before getting into this fourth question, I want to make a small announcement guys. So for the course Data Analytics with Python, we have collected the previous year questions of this guys. So the exam preparation MCQs. So here you will get a huge number of 120 MCQs guys. 120 MCQs, which is equal to 1 year of NPTEL questions. So for 120 questions in Google Drive PDF guys. So for one person it is 250 rupees guys. And for 2 to 5 persons it is combinedly 500 rupees guys. If you take it as bulk, the price will be individual price will be reduced on each one of you. So if any one of your classmates or if any number of classmates are doing along with you, then team up with them guys and take it as a bulk in order to reduce on each individual price guys. Even if you are one person, no need to worry, you will get it for 250 rupees only guys. So this will help you in the preparation for the final exam guys. So this is the mail ID you have to mail me, pk179417@gmail.com. I'll give the same email ID in the description box also guys. So mail me to this email ID only if you want to purchase. I will tell you the process to purchase if you mail me guys. You'll get 120 number of MCQs. For one person it is 250 rupees guys, and for 2 to 5 person access it is 500 rupees guys. So this is the mail ID. For any other doubts you can ask me in the YouTube comment section itself. So this is the mail ID. If you want to purchase, then only mail me guys. Now let's get back to the solutions. Fourth question. In logistic regression, what will happen? So for fourth question, the answer is second option guys. The dependent variable is categorical. The dependent variable is categorical. Next, fifth question. Fifth one, state true or false. So G static is used to check the individual significance of the independent variables. G static is used to check the individual significance of the independent variables. So for fifth question, it is false statement guys. Next, sixth question guys. Sixth one. What is the range of values as output from the sigmoid function? Sigmoid function. So for sixth question, it is 0 to 1 guys. The first option. Next, moving on to the seventh question. The seventh one. State true or false. So the statement given is the method of least squares is used to predict the population parameters with any probability distribution. So for seventh question it is option 2 guys, false. And moving on to the 8th question now. Suppose you have been given a fair coin and you want to find out the odds of getting heads. Which of the following option is true for such a case? So for 8th question, it is option C, guys. Odds will be 1. Odds will be 1. Next, moving on to the 9th one. So before getting into this question, I want to once again make you remember, guys. So we are providing you a huge number of 120 MCQs in a Google Drive PDF link. So for one person it is 250 rupees, and for 2 to 5 persons it is combinedly 500 rupees, guys. So this is the mail ID if you want to mail me. I will give the payment method in after you mail me, guys. So only mail me if you want to purchase, guys. If you want any doubts, if you want to get resolved any doubts, no need to mail me, guys. You can ask me in the comment section of YouTube itself behind this video. Only if you want to purchase our PDF pack, then only mail me, guys. Because we are dealing with a lot of students during the purchase. Already many students have started taking our various PDF packs. So we will be busy in dealing with the students. So please mail me to this email ID only if you want to purchase. For any other doubts, you will get the resolved solution in the comment section if you ask me in the comment section, guys. So 120 MCQs, for one person it is 250 rupees, and for 2 to 5 persons combinedly it is 500 rupees, guys. So you are getting very low price, guys. So this is the mail ID. Now let's get back to the solutions. So 9th question, large values of the log likelihood statistic indicate. So for 9th question, it is option B, guys, that the statistical model fits the data well. And moving on to the final question of the assignment, that is 10th one. The logit function given as L of x is the log of odds function that could be the range of logit function in the domain x equals 0, 1. So for the 10th question, the probable answer could be it could be the first option, guys, minus infinity to plus infinity. So friends, these are the probable solutions for the course of week 8 data analytics with Python course, guys. So hope this video helpful for you. If you feel the same, please subscribe our channel, like this video, and definitely share that with your friends and classmates, guys. And don't forget to purchase this, guys, the 120 MCQs PDF pack, exam preparation pack, guys. So for one person it is 250 rupees, and for 2 to 5 persons combinedly it is 500 rupees, guys. So this is the mail ID if you want to mail me in order to purchase this. I will tell the payment method. So that's it, guys, for this video. So keep supporting us like this. So until the next video, goodbye. Thank you.